I'm going to be doing a speed build of the Big Family home once again, because I want to redo it and I didn't really like it anymore. It was getting old and I wanted to do something different. But this is the family I'm going to be doing it for. They're a 5-people family, 3 kids, 2 parents. I do not have names for them yet, though, but I will soon, and they're gonna be in more of my future role plays. And this video is only in full screen, like on my tablet, because my arm was getting tired holding my phone, so I just switched to my iPad full screen. Also, don't mind any background noise because my sister is being so freaking loud. But anyways, so for the rest of these clips, I'm not gonna be speaking, because because of all the loud noise in the background, and I'm gonna have my TV on while I'm building. So yeah, I'm not gonna be talking for the rest of this. For the rest of these clips, I'm just gonna be what you want to call it, putting music, and you guys can just watch and take this. You could take some stuff out of this build. If you did do my last build, thank you so much. But if you want to get a new revamp, then you can. Anyways, let's get on with the building because I did a lot of yapping. We need to get started. That's what you're here for, right? All right then. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be the end of, well, not the end, but just for right now, because it's 9:38 and I have school tomorrow. And I'm so tired. And I started at 8 o'clock. Pretty late, I know, but I'm gonna be decorating like when I get done with the whole entire house. But tomorrow I'm gonna be doing the second floor. But that's it for today. Wait, I want to add some like finishing touches, like more stones, because like these things are amazing. But yeah, I have school tomorrow, and yeah, I am really tired actually. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys tomorrow. But yeah, love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, so this is voiceover me. This is the next day, or like this is actually 2 days later. My bad. Don't mind the background noise since my brother wants to be so freaking loud. But anyway, so I'm starting on the second floor, and right now I'm just starting with the entry area. Guys, no shade, but don't mind how ugly it's gonna look, because like I can't place anything on the walls, and I kind of forgot about that, low key. But so all the kids are gonna be up here. I was gonna put the parents on that other side, but like I changed my mind and I just put all the kids up here and then the parents on the third floor. But stay tuned, because their rooms are low-key looking tea, and the bathroom. The hallway might not be looking tea, but everything else will be looking fire, okay? But anyway, now I'm going to leave you guys alone because I'm yapping a little bit too much, and just let you guys just focus on the build. Anyways, peace. All right, guys, so I am officially done with this build. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so that's how it looks. I know that this is very, very simple, but oh well. This is the living room, that little area. I didn't really like decorate it all, but like this is just the aftermath. The backyard is one of my favorites. I literally love it so much. Now let's go ahead and head to the second floor to where all the kids' bedrooms are. Okay, so we're up on the second floor. I know this elevator area looks so bad, but like it's just gonna have to do. The bathroom, I also love this bathroom so much. I think it looks really, really good. Then over here is the little girl's room. I have to give her a name, so like, yeah, just that's her room. Then her brother's room, and then their older sister's room. This is her room. I'm gonna decorate it, like add some stuff on the dressers, the vanity, the fridge and everything. Just decorate it, and for the other rooms as well. But this is just how it looks so far. And now let's head to the third floor to the parents' room. Okay, so this is the parents' room. The mom, the dad, and like him with his glasses on. I'm gonna put his glasses on if they wanna go on. Okay, forget it. But anyways, yeah. As I said, they don't have names yet, unfortunately. But in future role plays, they will have names and they will be in future role plays. But yeah, so that's the end of this house and this build and this video. Stay tuned for more role plays, guys, because literally I have a lot and I'm right now in the middle of making one. So I just have to make something super, super fast, simple. And I'm also redoing all of my houses, so I want to record or at least do like a full entire house tour of it at least. So yeah, but that's it. So make sure remember that God loves you and have an amazing and wonderful day. Bye.